Hello and welcome to Hubgrass Meditation. Today I'll be leading you through a 10-minute guided breathing meditation. This meditation is great for beginners and it's also great for people who have been meditating for a while. The purpose of this meditation is just to focus on your breath so that you can focus on being in the present moment even more in your day-to-day life. We'll just be focusing on the inhale, breathing in, and the exhale, breathing out. So if you're ready to begin, you'll just want to find a comfortable position. You can either be sitting, laying down, anywhere where your spine is straight, where you can be alert, where you're not going to be falling asleep. All right, to begin, you're going to want to start by taking a deep inhale and a long exhale. And when it feels right to do so, you can close your eyes, or you can focus on a fixed point down below or at the tip of your nose. So to begin, we're just going to start by taking a few deep inhales and long exhales out through the mouth. We're going to take a deep inhale and a long exhale. And one more inhale. And an exhale out through the mouth. So for this meditation, we'll just be focusing on the phrases, I am breathing in and I am breathing out. You'll be thinking that first phrase, I am breathing in, with your inhale, and the second phrase, I am breathing out, with your exhale. The purpose of this is to help you focus on your breath during this 10 minutes, and it helps you be in the present moment just a little bit more. I am breathing in, and I am breathing out. I am breathing in, I am breathing out. Again, I am breathing in, and I am breathing out. I'll let you follow that on your own. As you're saying those phrases to yourself, you don't want to change your breathing in any way. Just follow the natural form of your breath. Your natural inhale, I am breathing in. And your natural exhale, I am breathing out. Again, your natural inhale, I am breathing in. And your natural exhale, I am breathing out. And we'll continue that there. Now that we've spent a few moments really focusing on our breath, I want you to start paying attention to your seat. How it feels, bringing some heaviness into your seat, making it a little bit more stable. Rolling your shoulders down away from the ears, sitting up just a little bit taller. Relaxing all of those little mini micro movements around the eyes and in the face. We hold so much tension in between our brows, so let's really try and relax that area. Now that we've been focusing on our breath for just a few minutes, let's start to focus on our seat, bringing some more stability and heaviness to your seat. Focus on your hands on your knees or your feet touching the ground. Focus on bringing your shoulders down away from the ears. Start to relax all the little mini micro movements around the eyes. We hold so much tension in between our brows, and let's really try and relax that area. Create some space in your jaw, even if it requires you to open your mouth just a little bit, and unstick the tongue from the roof of your mouth. We're really going to start to focus again on our mantra. I am breathing in, and I am breathing out. Again, I am breathing in, and I am breathing out. We're just going to continue that again, and if your mind wanders, that's okay. Know that that's going to happen, and that's the whole purpose of this. The more we train our mind to come back to the present moment, the easier and easier it will be. So if it feels a little difficult and you find that your mind is wandering a lot, that's okay. You'll get there. I am breathing in, and I am breathing out. I am breathing in, I am breathing out. I am breathing in, I am breathing out. And we're just going to continue that on our own. Like I said, it's okay if your mind starts to wander, just bring it back to the present moment. Focus again on breathing in and breathing out. Focus on the heaviness in your seat. Focus on how your hands feel against your knees or in your lap. Just focus on being here now. And like I said, if your mind wanders, that's okay. Just bring it back to the present moment. I am breathing in, I am breathing out. So again, we're going to bring our mind back to I am breathing in, and I am breathing out. I am breathing in, I am breathing out. I am breathing in, I am breathing out. And know that during the day, no matter what you're doing, like showering, driving, watching TV, you can always bring your mind back to I am breathing in and I am breathing out. And carry that with you throughout the rest of your day. I find that even when I'm getting ready for bed, this is a great way to start bringing my body down into relaxation by just thinking to myself, I am breathing in and I am breathing out. So as we come to the end of our guided meditation, if it feels right to do so, bring your hands to your chest and give yourself a small thank you for spending this 10 minutes with yourself, focusing on your breathing today. When it feels right to do so, you may open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me for this 10-minute guided breathing meditation. If you liked this meditation, please subscribe, like, so you can follow us for more meditations, and please feel free to check out our magic meditations where we focus on a little bit of Disney magic. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you real soon.